this video, I'm going to walk you through 1, the setup steps needed to be able to bill in the Accuro EMR software, and 2, the claim submission process. Claims need to pass a validation in Accuro to ensure they are ready for submission. This requires the provider's billing configuration to be completed. Provider configuration can be found by pressing the Accuro icon, selecting Tools and Configure Providers. Then you would select the provider and click the Configure button, and then Next. And within this billing options screen, values must be entered into the fields for practitioner number, provider specialty, and potentially any provincial specific fields that are required for a claim to be submitted. When completed, we would click Next and Finished. Claim configuration. At a minimum, a claim needs a procedure code and a diagnostic code. Patient configuration. In most provinces, a patient must have a first and last name, the correct birth date, gender, and the correct health card number. If any of the demographic details are missing on the patient that the claim is created for, then the claim might not pass validation, and we won't be able to submit the claim electronically. Ready for submission. So we will open the billing through the billing icon. Submissions are completed from the Unsubmitted Claims tab. At least one claim needs to be deemed ready for submission. Individual claims can be checked by selecting the claim line and reviewing the message in the bottom left-hand corner of the window. If a claim is ready for submission, it is indicated. So this first claim is ready for submission. The next claim, a procedure code is required. And the third one, a diagnostic code is required. So if a claim is not ready for submission, the reason why is indicated with a red message in the same area you found the ready for submission message. There are many reasons. An example could be you were unsure of the diagnostic code and you wanted to check with the physician at a later time and the diagnostic was still remaining blank. So we will receive that appropriate error in the bottom left-hand corner. We will need to input whatever was missing before the claim is ready for submission. Submission. So I'm going to demonstrate a mock submission for learning purposes. Once one or more claims are ready for submission, you would click the Submit Claim button here in the bottom right-hand corner. We would then follow the prompts to complete the submission process. When the ministry provides feedback to us, the claims will either be matched or unmatched. Matched claims mean the payment file came back from the ministry and made an exact match with your billing claim in your software. Matched claims will then show up in the Not Reconciled or Remittances tab, waiting for action by you. Unmatched claims will be in the Unmatched Remittances tab. An example of an unmatched claim would be a claim that you billed in another billing software and then received payment through Accuro. The claim wouldn't translate as an exact match with anything you have in Accuro and would then be unmatched, waiting for action by you. With the ministry feedback received, we can take a look in our Not Reconciled tab and go over all of the explanatory codes to see why our claim was not paid or why the exact amount we billed was not paid if an underpayment or overpayment was occurring. We can then take action to correct the claim and resubmit to the ministry once it has been corrected. Thank you for watching.